boys and girls, today in our guided reading story, it's called Take a Bite, and this boy is Manny. I need you to look at his face. Think he likes dinner? Think he might be a picky eater? Hey, I need you to notice something up in the title. Take bite. Do you see how both take and bite have a magic E at the end? E gives all its power vowel to say its name. Look, ache. And E doesn't say anything because he gave all his power away. Let's look and bite. B-I-T. And I says it's anything because it gave its power away. You might say tack a bit, and that makes no sense at all. So there is a couple magic E words in this book, and I want to show you some words that you might need. Is another one of those magic E words. Do you see it right there? Now, it's not had it. It's really ha-a, because the magic E is there, hated. And here's another magic E word in this book. Pull, see the blender? Pull, ate, plate. So sometimes it's at the E and sometimes it has the E's at the end and sometimes it has an ending in it. So this is Manny hated all the food on his plate. And look what his parents say. Take a bite, his parents said. Manny took one bite of, get your mouth ready, chicken. Good. Take a bite, his parents said. Manny took one bite of, look at your picture. Okay, so this story, I think you're going to be able to do this without my help anymore. I just wanted to give you a little bit of coaching. Make sure you watch the Magic E video so you understand how Magic E can give his power away, like in the word bite. Thanks, K-Stars. I need you to read Take a Bite today in Reading A to Z or A to Z Kids. Thanks. Bye.